Hey Carrie, we just got the seats installed. Showing you that new JL aftermarket seat mount. Has the MOLLE panels, sub belts. We got the seat belts installed on this one with some PRP seats, but they work with Corbeau, Beard, pretty much any aftermarket seat manufacturer, because the seat track that mounts to it is slotted, so it's really cool. You can mount seats like this in a JL. But did you know that it also works for the JK? Here, check this out. Ta-da! Check this out. This is an earlier JK model. Same exact seat mount, same exact locations that it bolts to, but you can kind of see the raw place here. Here's our sub mounts, our seat belt mounts, and then again the holes are slotted, and they'll move in and out also for different seat widths. So it'll work with pretty much any aftermarket seat. Got that really cool MOLLE panel, and it all ships in a really small package. You shouldn't have to pay through the nose for shipping. Super proud of these things. These things are pretty cool. But JL and JK, everything from, what is it, 2007 up. We got to handle them.